Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. First of all, let me introduce my channel. My channel is all about Windows 10 tutorials. It might apply to older versions of Windows, but I'm sorry if that doesn't work on older versions. But most of them will apply. Please comment down below if you had troubles doing this video's topic. And if you want anything else, also please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell and like the video. Today's episode will be all about creating a partition without having to pay for a hard drive, or even having to without even having to lose data. To get started, press Windows X, then select Disk Management. Then maximize this window and search for the disk that says Healthy, Boot, Page File, Crash Dump, Basic Data Partition. Right click that and select Shrink Volume. You'll wait for it a while. Feel free to pause the video while it is doing everything. But now, here you will be presented with this window. You'll have to enter the amount of space you want on your partition. I'll just select 1000 megabytes. 1000 megabytes equals 1 gigabyte. Don't forget that. And then shrink. Might take a while. And also be careful for the storage that you have on that drive. If you don't have much storage, then don't take much storage on your partition. And after that's done, you'll be presented with an unallocated space. You'll have to right-click it and press New Simple Volume, Next, Next, and then assign your drive letter. I'll just choose I, Next. Here you can choose what do you want to name your partition. I'll just name it Local Disk. Next, Finish. And now File Explorer. Hold on. Go to this PC. There you go. This is it. Double click it. Ready to go. But wait, if you don't want anyone to access it, if you have multiple users, well, right click it. Right click it. Press Properties, Security, Edit, and then keep spamming remove until there's no one. Hit apply, and then yes, okay, advanced, change, advanced, again, find now, then search for your profile. That's my email, feel free to contact me anytime, okay? And then apply, okay, okay. Don't worry, those are not actually there. You can actually still remove them. How? By pressing OK and then just pressing Properties again. But wait, what? Now if I just double click that, it will tell me that access is denied. So what you have to do is just to simply right click it again, Properties, Security, Advanced, and then Add, select a principal, Advanced, Find Now, search for yourself. There I am. Whoopee. Full control. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. Okay. Double click it. There you go. You can create anything you want. You can even create blah blah blah. my text document. And everyone, I hope that video helped you out. I hope it helped you create the partition. If it didn't help you out, please comment down below. I'll try searching for another way, and maybe I'll help you out. If you need anything else, please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and like the video. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.